Hi guys, so getting straight into this summer accent video, just showing you the colour polishes we're going to be using. So we're going to do like an ombre with about, did I show you 4 or 5 colours there? Could have been 4, I feel, maybe 5. So we're just placing them on the nail. And then we're going to ombre them together. I've seen this design, but I not this exact one, but sort of what this one is inspired by. But it's on Pinterest and I couldn't find a name. So if anybody knows who, please let me know so I can give credit in the comments. So we're just using my Beetles gel ombre brush just to sort of blend in these, like, each colour, and we're going to do it again for the second coat after we've cured that, because you can see it's not very opaque yet. And the plan is to chrome this. Now I'm doing 2 different chromes to see which one is best, but first we'll get these coats out of the way with. It feels like we've got a little bit of summer back, I suppose, at the minute, doesn't it? But not too much. Still lots and lots of rain if you're in the UK. So just wiping my brush in between. I love this ombre brush, honestly. I would not be without this one. Really, really, really love it. And then we're going to use a no wipe top coat. I'm using Dahlia Artistics this time. And then we will go over with, it's Nail Stamping Queen's Nikki Fairy Chrome or something like that. So just rubbing that in with the eyeshadow applicator. I do like this chrome, don't get me wrong, but I think the next one is actually my favourite. So we're going to draw little palm trees on these nails, because I mean, who don't want palm trees on a rainbow? So now we're going to go over this with base coat so we can do the rest of our design. I hope everyone's having a nice summer, but I am totally looking forward to autumn and winter now. I am just not made for the heat. Not made for the heat unless I'm on holiday. So I'm using my 4mm detailer brush and just some black gel polish. I think it's Beetles gel polish. It might be better to do this with gel paint if you do have it, but gel polish is also fine. I flash cured that in between. So we're just doing little palm leaves. So we're doing the branches first and then cure that. And then you want to go in with as little gel polish as possible when you're doing the leaves, otherwise it just blobs together. But you obviously want to have enough that it shows up as well, otherwise it looks a bit pants. So it's a delicate balance. So I'll just go over that, and then I have cured that in between, and we're just going with the little leaves falling downwards. So you can see the top side of them, I'm still doing them as if they're curving down. I'm just flash curing with my little torch in between. And then just same again, do the leaves as if they're flowing downwards, because otherwise it doesn't look real. Because the palm trees are definitely going to be sort of like flowing towards the ground, you know, gravity and all that jazz. So just as little gel polish as you can, but enough so that you can still see it, because look, mine just sort of blobs together a little bit there. So I've kind of fluffed that one up a little bit, but So just little bits. And then flash curing in between as we go. Just so it doesn't all blob together. I hope you're all liking my Harry Potter nails, by the way. I do sort of briefly go over them in one of my next videos I've filmed. I filmed a few on Saturday, but I just haven't done it all yet. And there we have palm tree. So we're just going to add a little seagull just at the top there to finish that one off. Oh no, and another one at the bottom. Because why not? It just, I love this set. It just feels so summery. So like holiday vibes, tropical vibes, all that. So we're putting shiny top coat on, because obviously you're not going to matte top coat this. So next nail we're doing the same, but we're sort of doing the ombre in an opposite sequence of the colours. So we're starting off with the blue at the bottom. This actually feels more like a sunset, to be honest, of how it fades in together, if you know what I mean. But I mean, we'll see. So pop the pink at the top. And then use our ombre brush to blend. Wiping in between the colours, so you don't get cross-contamination. Cure it, do it again. The blue at the bottom. Well, it's more turquoise in person. And green. And our nice yellow. These are all Madam Glam colours, by the way. I will try and put the names in the comments, but I don't know if I'll have time. That one's definitely Baby Nest, though. I know that one. And I think the yellow is Fries Before Guys. The green one I think I showed was Amazonian Dream. I cannot remember what the turquoise one is called off the top of my head, and I am not next to my nail desk, so if you really need to know, ask me in the comments and I will find it. So we are going to put a no wipe top coat on this so we can use the chrome. Now the chrome I'm using is an ice gel. I think it's Barley Sunset. It comes in like a set of 6. Super expensive, but super cool. That's just the other one come out of the lamp. Just while I'm waiting for this one. So this is the super duper ice gel sunset chrome powder. And it is so pretty. Oh, just look at the sort of like colour changing in it. Oh, fabulous. My nail kept falling off the damn tip stand, so I kept having to press it back down. So it sort of has like an orangey glow, doesn't it? I think it's fab. Anyway, I think it's fabulous. So we're going to put base coat on top of that one. So we can do our little palm tree designs. Oh, honestly, I'm so tired. You know when you get those days when you like eyes are like sandpaper. Oh, I can't keep them open. It actually hurts to keep them open. Ugh. So we're going to do 2 palm trees on this one. So they're just going to be a bit smaller than that last one. So we do the little trunk. And then the same as before. Oh, I'm just flash curing in between. Just, don't want anything to fluff up this time. So we're just going to do our 4 little branches. And then do the little palm tree leaves coming down, obeying the laws of gravity. And I don't know, so these 2 would be like accent nails, and do you know what? I think it'd look amazing, this chrome, on like each of those colour nails, like each of those colours we've got in the background there for the rest of the nails. Ooh. Or maybe just like the pink. Yeah, like do pink and that chrome. Ooh. What an amazing holiday set that would be. So yeah, we're just going to do the little top sticky outy one, because there's always a top sticky outy one. And then we're going to do the other one coming from the side. So just down, bit thicker branch, tree trunk this one, but same as before, the 4 little branches. I've got a few more summer videos to come, but I'm actually really excited to get into the autumn ones and the Halloween ones. I don't know about you, but I just need to get these summer ones out quick, because otherwise it's just like summer's already gone. So I've just cured that in between. Just going to do the last little branches. And you can see how quick this is, like, and like if you were doing not much on the rest of the nails, then it really would be a quick set, I feel. But obviously it's different painting it on an actual human compared to just a nail tip. I know you can't just twist them around. And then we'll do the little top one. I'm just making the branches a bit more clear, just because they're kind of blended in to the leaves. And then we're going to do the little top bit. Need some little leaves. That always seems to defy the laws of gravity, you know, but you need a top one. You can't not have a top one. And we're going to do with the little seagulls again. So here we have it. We're going to do a shiny top coat, and then you guys can tell me which one you liked better. Which chrome did you like better? I have a feeling I know which one. But thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a like and a subscribe if you're not already. Totally would love that, but no pressure. Thanks so much for watching. I definitely think that one's my favourite. I'll see you soon. Bye.